Have you ever added a video to your WordPress post, only to find it awkwardly stuck on the left side of the page? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to perfectly center align any video in WordPress. And yes, this method works on any site using the Gutenberg block editor. Alright, let's get straight to it. First, open the post or page where you've added your video or where you want to add one. Now, click the small plus icon to add a new block and choose the video block from the list. If you've already added your video before, just click on that existing video block instead. Once your video block is selected, you'll see a small toolbar appear just above or near the block. This toolbar includes your alignment options. Therefore, usually shown as 3 horizontal bars or icons representing left, center, and right alignment. Simply click on that alignment button and then select Align Center. That's it. Your video is now perfectly centered. You can preview your post to make sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile. A quick tip: if your theme or layout doesn't automatically center the video even after doing this, you can go into the block settings on the right panel and check for additional alignment or layout options. Some themes let you fine-tune spacing and margins too. And there you go, a clean, centered video that looks professional and polished on any WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to keep exploring more quick WordPress tips to make your site look its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.